Hello everyone, welcome back to Himabindu Angal Kurti's channel. Today I will show you how to transform this old chair into a beautiful accent chair. I went to Joann's to buy some fabric for the chair and I got a little bit distracted looking at all the beautiful decor pieces and garden decors and also the awesome floral section. And I finally went to buy some fabric and I ended up buying the two designs that I liked. I found this chair in Facebook Marketplace and I decided to do a makeover because it's not in a good condition. And I first removed the wheels of the chair because they're really old. We took a hammer and tapped it a little bit to remove the cushion and also unscrewed the screws to completely take it out. We then sanded out all over the chair to remove the old paint. Now we took a utilities knife to remove the rattan from the chair as it's all worn out and damaged. Once you remove the rattan from the chair, we must clean the grooves as we need to add new rattan in its place. I clean up the cushion to keep the wooden part for my new memory foam. For that, I cut the old fabric and removed its foam and staples. I needed a new staple gun, so I ordered this one from Amazon, which it did not go well for me. So I got a new staple gun from Walmart and I started my project. Do you have a better staple gun? If so, please comment in the comment section down below. And now I took the old memory foam as my reference for the new cushion and then I cut my memory foam. I took my E6000 glue and I glued the two pieces together to get the exact shape that I wanted. And I also glued my memory foam to the wood using E6000 glue. I also got my padding from Joann's store to keep the fabric nice and secure. Then I cut it in a square shape and applied a little bit of my E6000 glue to just keep the padding in place. Because I'll be stapling my fabric at the end along with the padding, I wasn't too much worried if it's not completely glued to the foam. Now I took the fabric and cut it generously so I can fold it and staple it. Don't pull the fabric too much to staple it, but just keep the fabric tight and make sure that there are no folds when you flip that to the front. Now cut the excess fabric after you stapled it. Now I put the cushion on top of the chair just to make sure that it all aligned properly. I wanted to keep the wood color, so I got this Restore a Finish bottle from Amazon with a neutral color, and I poured a little bit into the bowl and rubbed it with a waste cloth. I got this rattan from a local store for a very reasonable price. To easily work with the rattan, soak the rattan in water for at least 20 minutes and then take the soaked rattan and using your chisel, just push the rattan into the grooves. You can also use the rubber hammer if you want. If your rattan is dried out, don't worry, you can wet it out with some hot water. But be gentle when you are working with the rattan as it is very delicate. And here's a tip for you. If your rattan is too loose, don't worry, it gets tightened when it dries out. Use the splint and push the rattan inside the groove using some wood glue for beautiful finishing. I'm using the rubber mat so my chair will not slide when I'm working. Now slowly cut the excess rattan with your utilities knife and make sure that there are no sharp edges. Once you're all done, just add the cushion to the chair and you will have a beautiful accent chair